What's up, everybody? I am pretty pumped. I have a package in. This is going to be an unboxing, if you will. This might be a couple of videos because some things are just too awesome to fit in 60 seconds. This is a special package from my friends over at Calavera. I have not opened this. I've had this for a couple of days now, but I wanted to take the time to open it right. This is going to be something for myself and then something for my giveaway coming up. So let's open it. I'm excited. Stickers? Okay. There we go. Boom. Okay, listen, I give you an A++ on the presentation there. Man, oh. Look at that, we got some goodies. Olfa heavy duty knife, a tight bond brush. I don't have one of those. Excited about that too, man. Okay. Before I go any further, I'm just gonna say, I've followed Calavera for a really long time on here. I'm super excited to open this in general, on top of it being kind of special for my giveaway. So here we go. Look at that. What we have here is some custom walnut dyed bison apron, leather apron with custom red to match my shop colors, red on the hangers, red on the pockets. Wow. Wowee. Man, that's cool. That's so cool. The detail. It's lighter than I expected too. I was a little bit worried it might be heavy. Look at these buckles. Wow. Man, I don't even know what to say right now. Mike, I don't gotta adjust it, bro. How'd you know my size, man? Look at that. Oh, I like the length. I like the length. Think. Pencil. Oh man. I don't really know what else I can say. I am super stoked for this. This is gonna be something that I use and have for a really long time. You guys on Instagram, 2 of these. What does that mean? That means somebody is going to win a second one of these on my upcoming 25K. Custom, only 2 made. Keep an eye out for that. Michael, everybody at Calavera, this means a lot. This is special. Thank you guys.